Hello guys, welcome back to again iTechHub YouTube channel and my name is Dhruvin. So guys, in this video I will show you how to fix Snapchat add friends not working on iPhone and Android device. Lot of Snapchat user has been reporting to us in the Snapchat account add friends is not working on my iPhone and Android device. Now the Snapchat users question is what to do for the fixing this issue. So guys, before the starting this video, please make sure you subscribe my channel, like, comment and share, and also press the bell icon for the more informative video about iPhone and iPad. In this video I give you some solutions for how to fix Snapchat. Now the first of all, open the Snapchat applications and top corner you can see also request icon available. Now please make sure tap on it. In the add friends sections you can see also many requests available. Now when the I accept it, that time it's a add friend is not working. Now the user's question is what to do for the fixing this issue. So guys, please make sure follow the steps and easy to fix your problems. Now the first one important solution is latest versions to update your Snapchat applications on your iPhone and Android device. Now first of all, open the Play Store in the Android devices, top corner search bar. In search bar search Snapchat application. If you any latest versions available, now latest versions to update your Snapchat applications on your iPhone and Android device. Now the second important solution is also clear cache and clear data of the Snapchat applications. Now first of all, find out the Snapchat applications from the iPhone and Android home screens, press and hold, and second last option is app information. In the app informations you can see also first one option is storage uses. In storage uses you can see also clear data and clear cache options available. Now please make sure both done, you can easily fix your problems. First and second solution is not working, then go for the third one solution. Now the third one solution is uninstall Snapchat applications and reinstall again on your iPhone and Android device. Now first of all, find out the Snapchat applications, press and hold, and last option is uninstall. Uninstall is successfully done. After again open the App Store in the iPhone and Play Store in the Android devices, and also top corner search bar search the Snapchat applications and download install on your iPhone and Android device. Now the last and most important solution is first of all open the Snapchat applications, log out your account, wait for the some times, then again log in your account from your iPhone and Android device. These four solutions too you can easily fix the Snapchat add friend not working on your iPhone and Android device. I hope this video helpful for you. Thank you so much. Please subscribe my channel, like, comment and share. If any query about that, so please DM on my Instagram and also comment on this video comment sections. I will try to fix your problems as soon as. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.